Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix the Bondee app not compatible with your device. For example, if you search Bondee app on Google and you look for Bondee app, then you will not find any linked on your device that can take you to the original Play Store app. As you can see, if you search for Bondee app Play Store, then if you scroll down, then here you will find Play Store option. If you click on that, then here you can see there is an error which is as your device isn't compatible with this version, which means what you have to do is you have to update your device so that your device can be compatible with this version of the app, because recently this app has been updated, and due to an updated version of that app, many devices are not compatible with this version now. So what you have to do is you have to look for the updates of your device. How you can check this? You have to click on settings. After that, you have to scroll down and you have to click on about phone section. And here if you scroll down, then you can simply click on software information and you can here check your Android version, because this device has a lower Android version, so it cannot work on this device. So if you want to install that app on the devices, so your device must have Android version of 10 or greater so that it can work properly. This error comes due to this kind of update. If your device is updated, which means you have Android version of 10 or greater, then this kind of error will not occur on your device. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.